OMG, let's talk about stopping distances. OMG, here is some awesome stuff to know. Okay, so stopping distance is the thinking distance plus the braking distance. So these two things make up the stopping distance. Now, the thinking distance is the distance, this thing here, you would travel after you see the hazard and before you hit the brakes. It's that thinking time before you actually touch the brake. Now, things like tiredness, alcohol consumption, drug use and age, and distractions all increase that thinking distance. Now, your braking distance is the distance you would travel after you thought about it, okay? So while you're applying the brakes. So after you thought about it and you actually press that brake, now it is the braking distance. And tyre tread, brake pad levels, weather conditions, and the incline can all affect that braking distance. And we're going to have a look at that relationship now after a little bit of music. Do, 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 do. Now, it says here, as speed doubles, the thinking distance also doubles. Let's have a look if that's true. Well, at 20 miles an hour, okay, our thinking distance is 6. So let's double the speed to 40 miles per hour. The thinking distance goes from 6 to 12. Well, that's doubling it. Let's try that again. Let's pick 30 miles per hour. Well, your thinking distance is 9. Let's double 30 miles per hour to 60 miles per hour. Look at that. It's doubled again. 9 meters to 18. Yeah. Now let's have a look if there's any relationship between the braking distance. Yes, there is. As speed doubles, braking distance increases by a factor of 4, which quadruples. So let's have a look here. So when I'm 20 miles per hour, my braking distance is 6. When I'm 40 miles per hour, my braking distance is 24. Well, I know 6 goes into 24 4 times, so it's a factor of 4. Now this one, 30 miles per hour. Let's have a look. 14. Well, let's double 30 to 60. When I was 55, okay, well, if it was 56, then 14 would go into 56 4 times. So it's a very, very similar relationship, okay? Now, a common question is, they'll ask you to predict the thinking distance and the braking distance and even the stopping distance when it becomes 80. And there, you would just, okay, double that and you would times that by 4. And then the overall stopping distance is this one plus this one. It's thinking plus your braking distance. So you just add the two together and you get your stopping distance. Ooh, we gotta love physics, yeah. Shooby dooby 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 woo.